Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, darling. So today I'm gonna be making lunch. This is gonna be a lunch and dinner that I eat to keep my weight down during the social distancing days. And oh my god, it's so chilly outside today, and I'm wearing shorts. Look, I'm gonna have to wear my denim jacket on top. Anyway, so I did my makeup. Very natural. Look at my hair. My hair is so wild. Oh, well, it is what it is. At least I love the hair color now. I love the highlights. You like them? I love them. So anyway, yes guys, so I'm going to be making my hard-boiled sandwich that one of my subscribers asked me about. So you know what? She gave me a great idea, so I'm going to make it today in my video. But first I'm going to make my lunch. I'm going to make my mixed berry lunch with yogurt and peanut butter, and so I'm gonna show you how I make it, and we're gonna have it on the table over there so we can chit chat. In the meantime, the dogs are outside doing their business. So yeah, so let's go back inside while the dogs do their thing, and I'm gonna show you my lunch. And this is what I've been eating every day. It's like a basically is what I have for breakfast too. But for breakfast I mix it up with oatmeal. So I'm not gonna be eating oatmeal because that's too much, you know, to have twice in a day. So yeah, so let me just get all the ingredients ready, darling, and I'm gonna prepare this lunch with you guys, and then we're gonna go outside and chit chat. Okay, guys? Give me a few minutes. Yes. Oh, and the usual, darling, don't forget to subscribe, like, and activate the bell to get notified whenever I upload new content. Okay, darling, let's get ready, okay? Yes. Okay, guys, so we're back. So I'm gonna be making my lunch for today. I told you roasted berries, which to me I think they're better than fresh. 2 cups of these frozen berries. You see, so they have the 2 cups in there. Then I add peanut butter. I say I like around 2 tablespoons. I think peanut butter for me has been like the miracle food because it keeps me full. It gives me the amount of protein that I need. It's wonderful. I'm gonna add again cinnamon. Cinnamon it's great for people who have diabetes. It helps in the absorption of the sugars. I like to add a lot, as you can see. And I like to add a little bit of honey, because everything tastes better with honey now. This is raw honey. Again, this is to taste. This is in the microwave for a minute and a half. Okay. I love this bottle. It's not too big, it's not too small, and it keeps the water cold. My other secret, guys, this is the best thing to burn fat. Cayenne pepper. So this a lot of trainers, they recommend this at the gym. So I take 2 of these cayenne pepper. Okay, so this is already done microwaving. So now the last ingredients that I add to this is this the almond milk, and it's a yogurt alternative because we don't need any dairy. I love the way I look now so much that, you know what, the way I think about food to me is like fuel. It's like gasoline for your system. I don't look at it like oh my god, I have to have this potato, I have to have this. You know, I don't crave food like that anymore. So to me, it's just like a fuel. Okay, so I like to use this. So let's see. Let me just take you outside, and I'll set it up on the table, and let's have lunch together and chat. Yes. And I like to sit in this table so you guys can see the back of my garden. So let me just put this tripod in here. Today's not shorts. I'm gonna have to change my pants because it's too chilly. that okay? Yeah. I don't want to put you too close because I don't want to be eating in your face. The alternative yogurt, the cinnamon, the peanut butter. So I like to mix it up. And a few of the berries are still frozen. And I like the texture like that really well. And this keeps me full until dinner. Now let me tell you. So I'm gonna be making my egg sandwich. The nut bread sandwich. I use romaine lettuce, not romaine, iceberg lettuce. And for some reason, I kind of like. I used to eat romaine lettuce all the time, but now I kind of like the crunchiness of the iceberg lettuce. It's so good. Today, guys, so I took the hair color yesterday. I put a little bit of a blue base color to get rid of the grassiness. Okay. I kind of like the look, you know. It's especially because I'm putting a lot of gold highlights on my face too. The highlighter that I got from. Oh, by the way, today is the last day of the Sephora sale, May 1st. So I got all my goodies that are coming soon. So I got backup for all my products. I mean, 20% is a lot for me. Yeah. So guys, tell me how you guys doing the social distancing. I'm going crazy. I'm telling you. I don't know what else to do. The only place that I go is I go take a walk around the neighborhood, but there's no people on the streets. And I'm going grocery shopping. Where I go grocery shopping, I go with the mask on and my gloves, and I just go in and out. So to me, it's like, you know, people are freaking out because they can't get a haircut. I mean, look at my hair, how long it is. I don't mind it. Yeah. I'm lucky that I'm a hairdresser. At least I can do my roots. Oh, my garden, so beautiful. Let me show you around. All the flowers. The fountain. I love the sound the fountain makes. You know, it's so relaxing. And you see today it's cloudy. I know when I was in New York, a lot of people when the low carb diet came out, people were like, even in some of the restaurants, they offer you to make to put like the cold cuts and stuff like that between romaine lettuce. So I always like doing that. Whenever I started a new diet, that's what I did. I don't know, diets are weird. Don't do that anymore. Come on, Milo. Yes. Yes. What's up? Say hello. Milo. Say hello to me. Hi, everyone. Hi. This is Milo talking. Sasha. Here she is. Here they are, the babies. Say hello. Hi. You want some fruit? No, it's for Daddy Mike. Okay, Dad. Go and play. Come on, Milo. Oh, about the egg sandwich that I'm gonna make it for you guys. Yeah, I find myself like, you know, if I'm not exercising, doing heavy weightlifting, I'm doing all the exercise that I do at the gym. I have to be very careful then because I don't want to gain weight. I guess my body has adjusted to my transformation. It's been 2 years since I got my facelift. I got it on February 26, 2018. My tummy tuck was on March 1st, 2019. So it's been over a year after my tummy tuck, and completely changed my life. So I learned also that you cannot go hungry during the day because For example, for me, if I don't eat like small meals during the day, sometimes, like I like to, if I'm not gonna be eating this lunch, like if I'm outside doing my stuff, so I try to eat like nuts, and I have a fruit, I have a banana or I have an apple, but I always kind of have it with peanut butter, so I can have some kind of protein because that's what keeps me full. And you're gonna keep eating carbs, and you're never gonna be satisfied. It's not a good idea to go to the supermarket when you're hungry because you buy everything. It's like when you go to Costco, you see people eating all the samples. They don't realize, all those the triumphs they give you. That's have a lot of calories in it. No matter that, the more processed the food is, the worse for you. All the lean cuisines, all the Weight Watchers meals, all that stuff, full of salt. I don't care what anybody says. Okay, my darlings, I finished eating my lunch. And so it's getting kind of chilly, so I'm gonna go inside and change. And I'm gonna go for a walk with the dogs. Okay, guys, talk to you later. Bye. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna show you how I make my egg sandwich. So first, we have in here some hard-boiled eggs. So I'm just gonna crack some eggs. It's good for me. Let me just go like this so you can see what on my face. You guys saw when I made my lunch today. It was very filling. It was delicious. Very healthy. It's very filling. Okay, so I make 2 eggs. And it's up to you if you want to have only egg whites. You can save the yolk for something else. The yellow part, because to me it has, your body needs fats also. That's why I like to have the peanut butter, and I use a lot of olive oil. Before when you have those like no fat diets, that's when you gain a lot of weight back, because your body needs fat to burn fat. Here, I'm gonna open up the iceberg lettuce. So I'm using organic lettuce because I couldn't find the other one, the regular one. And to me, organic doesn't make a difference. Actually, it doesn't. It's not dirty. It's the way the leaves are. So anyway, so look, guys. So I like to take it apart like this. The eggs. Put a little bit of salt. And then you just wrap it up. And then you have your sandwich and then you just eat it. Isn't that great? So I'm gonna keep this for later on. It's very filling. I love it. And so I'll do the same thing too. And I have avocado salad. Take the leaf and you can just make a small bundle of lettuce like this. So let me just show you. So this is it. In here I have avocado, tomato, red onion, and I just put some avocado like this, salad, and then just eat it. So these are 2 wonderful options for you for dinner, either the avocado or the eggs, and it's very healthy, very nutritious, very filling, and you're not gonna feel so bloated inside from eating like a steak or a chicken or anything like that. This is very healthy. Hi guys, so this is 2 ways that you can just keep your weight down and not gain any weight during social distancing. I have the avocado and lettuce sandwich or wrap. And I have the egg, the hard-boiled egg, wrapped on lettuce leaves. Yes, guys, so this is what I have for dinner. It's very filling, very healthy, and you don't feel bloated at night. You know, you can play around with what you have in your, on your refrigerator, you know, and just, you know, just be creative, and why not? You know, you have nothing to lose, darling. Okay, guys, so let me show you. Look at this cuteness. Look at what a cutie she is. Her name is Cosette. She's the lady of the house. Hi, Cosette. She loves that basket. This is the basket that I used to go shopping. These were made by African women. I think it's a charity event from Amazon that they have today. So yeah, so anyway, guys, so this is what I was saying, you know, just be creative during social distancing, you know, and make your own, think about what you can eat that is not gonna make you gain weight. Anyway, guys, again, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and activate the bell when so I can give you notified whenever I upload new content, guys. Look at the cat. So the cat are watching a bird outside. The bird likes to eat the dog food. Anyway, guys, what am I saying all this stuff? Anyway, okay, guys, so until the next one, guys, have a good day and stay safe.